It's recording. Baby's crying. Hold up. How the heck are ya? So, if you don't know by the title of this awesome video, this is a Cricut Maker unboxing. Why? I ordered this as a Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Anniversary, Mother's Day, Valentine's gift to myself. I've been wanting one of these for so long. But let's get the big part out of the way. I didn't realize how hecka expensive they were, but I knew that they would be worth it. And so when I got it, I didn't know what to get. I didn't want to just get the machine and not be able to do anything. So I got a bundle, and the bundle I wanted had like vinyl and different patterns and different material and floral crap and all this other good crafty stuff, but it was out of stock. Story of my life. So I got the one that was in stock, but I'm actually pretty pumped that they didn't have the one that I thought I wanted, because this one has a lot of stuff. So, but anyways, in this first box I'm opening up, it is the Cricut sewing tool kit. I can read. So it basically just has like your basic stuff. So like a pin cushion, some pins, some fabric scissors, measuring tape. I don't know what that is. What is it? A leather thimble? Never heard of it. A seam ripper, and what are those? Some thread snips. Interesting. So that came in the little pack box. Now I have no idea what's in this box. It's like a little thin flat. My imagination, I don't have one. I don't even know what would come in here. I don't know what else came in the actual kit itself, because like I said, it wasn't the one I wanted, so I was like, fine, I'll just take what's left. Because I really wanted the rose gold one, because I am a basic teenage girl like that. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing actually. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So this thin white box, this thin cardboard box is holding mats. Okay. Nice. So I didn't realize that. It came with a variety pack. This is what it says. It has 3 mats. Is it going to tell me what it is? Okay, alright. A light grip. What is that for? A standard grip and strong grip. Okay, I like that. I like that variety pack. Now, what's this one? This one just is one, and it's, oh, okay, it's the fabric grip. So if you don't know anything about Cricuts, their newest machine out is the Cricut Maker, and that's the one that I purchased. And it basically can cut fabric and cut leather and cut wood, small pieces of wood. Alright, the smallest, which I already opened it, so this isn't a true unboxing, but it was a bag. So this was the first one that I opened the other day because I couldn't help myself. And it basically came with all of the blades. So it came with a bonded fabric blade. Don't know, I'm going to have to look into how to use that. A premium fine point blade. A deep point blade. I'm wondering if this is for, yeah, chipboard, leather, and thin metals. What? Washable fabric marker. Now I am super excited about this because I really like sewing, and what I've heard about the Cricut Maker is that it can help you mark, one, it can help you cut out your pattern, but it can also mark where you put your seam allowance so that you're not just guessing and it's all over the place. So now for the, sorry my bun's all over the place, I just ran to go get a knife, crying baby. Now the true big unboxing. Look how big this box is.
So, like I said, I think it comes in 3 colors. One looks like a gray, kind of like the iPhone, where one looks like a champagne color, then it's like a gold, then this rose gold, and then I think a gray. Oh my gosh. I'm super pumped. I may or may not need help getting this out of the box.
Alright, I decided to switch angles so that you could see the unboxing a little bit better. So the first things first, it says, let's get started. What I've seen in other unboxing videos is that the box is, oh, it's black. Okay, my bad. So, materials for your first project. I'm wondering if all the materials are the exact same. I saw that it was kind of like a springy print. Yep, there it is. So it basically comes with some fabric. It looks like here's some cardstock and some more cardstock. So I'm excited about that. See what the instructions say about that. But that is the first materials for your first project. Inside you will also find a guide on everything that you can do. Oh my gosh. Little finger puppets. What? Okay, here is the rotary blade, which I don't know if you can really see it. It's got kind of like a little wheel on it. And I'm understanding that that is to like mark your fabric or mark your material. Looks like a charger or USB. Oh, USB. Then a thin black dill. And then, I don't know if, oh, this is probably the cover for the rotary blade. And then it looks like there's some warranty information. Boring. Then here we have it, people. Oh no. I might have to change angles again. I really don't know what I'm doing. It's been a hot minute or a hot 2 years since I filmed a video. And I've never really done an unboxing. Look how beautiful it is. I think I'm just going to leave it in this little foam stuff. And that is all for that box. Now, the unveiling. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh. I'm so pumped. And like I said, I got the rose gold. Doesn't really look rose gold because of my orange lighting. It's like daggum Christmas in March. And here we have it. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Well, I don't actually know how to open it. Am I gonna break it? Did y'all see that? Did you see it? Oh my gosh. I just want to go take a nap with it. Pretty excited. I'm not sure what my first project is going to be, but I will not guarantee that I will maybe most likely try to film a video if the kids are napping. I got 2 babies crying right now, so I'll go ahead and end this video. But if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you semi-liked it, if you turned it on so that there would be background noise while you were washing dishes, then give this video a thumbs up and hit the little bell. I don't know where it's at. It tells you when I make videos. You know, you might want to keep that notification available for yourself because I only make videos like every 2 years. Is that as often as the eclipse happens? I'm not sure. Okay.